In this video, we're going to be showing you the steps required to set up a brand new Mailchimp account, your first list, getting API keys for developers, and adding other users such as administrators or developers to your Mailchimp account. Clicking on the sign up for free will take you to the sign up page. Enter in here an email address, a username that you wish to use to sign in to your Mailchimp account, and a secure, strong password. And then click Get Started. A verification email will be sent to you. Clicking on this will verify your account. I've copied the link from the email and I've now pasted it into the browser to activate the account. Next, we just have to confirm that we're not a robot. And that's it. That's our Mailchimp account set up. Let's now just put in a little bit of information. Now that our information has been put in, we can begin by creating our first list. Click Lists in the top bar and simply click Go to List Settings. Here's our first list. Underneath here we can change the name. We can also, underneath Settings, add in fields. You can see that a few of them come as default. What we can now do is click Sign Up Forms, and you'll see there's lots of different options based upon how you wish to embed this on your website. API keys. Sometimes you need to give your developers API keys to be able to integrate with your existing forms. First of all, a main API key is required to authenticate the developer's application to your installation of Mailchimp. To get an API key, click on your name in the top right and then select Account. Underneath here, click Extras and API Keys. Simply click Create a Key for Mailchimp to create a key for you. We'd recommend setting the label for future use. This API key can then be copied and emailed to your developer. The next step is to get the API key for the specific list that you're trying to put things into. To get this, simply click Lists, click on your list settings, and you can see here that you have a list ID. With a combination of the API key and this specific list ID, you can programmatically, through the API, add subscribers to your list. Adding users. There may be times where you want to add other people to your Mailchimp account to perform various actions on your behalf. To add other users to your account, click on your name on the top right and select Account. Underneath Settings, click on Users. Here you can invite a user to your account. It doesn't matter if they're an existing user or if they're somebody which is brand new. Simply type in their email address here and select which level of permissions you wish for them to have. If you're adding a developer to the account, chances are you want to click Manager or Admin Account. Clicking Send Invite will then securely email that invite to that user. Once the other user is verified that they want to become part of this account, they'll show up in your list. Reloading this page will show you an active state of that person's acceptance. Here you can see that this user has now successfully joined. You can, at any time, click Revoke Access to remove their ability to edit your account. Always remember to securely sign out of Mailchimp when you're done.